Hi bestie! Here are some super helpful tips if you're watching a concert at the Philippine Arena para sulit ang experience mo from start to finish. Number 1. Leave early to avoid traffic. Expect heavy congestion kung manggagaling kayo from the south or north. Try to be at the arena at least 3 hours before the admission gates open. Number 2. Parking tip. Park at parking C or D. Medyo malayo sa main entrance or I think 5 minutes walk siya but totally worth it kung dito kayo magpapark. You'll avoid the traffic since it's already near the NLEX toll gate pag pauwi na. Number 3. Buy food on your way to the concert. Drive-thru or take-out orders will save you time and money. May mga nagbebenta naman sa loob ng arena but expect long lines, higher prices, and no tables. Yes, sa labas kayo kakain bestie. Plus, no rice allowed inside the arena. Number 4, gates usually open around 4 o'clock p.m. Try to enter by 5:30 p.m. to avoid the crowd. Halos kasi sabay-sabay papasok yung mga fans sa opening pa lang ng gate. Number 5, toilet tip. Don't queue at the main area or at the lower box area. Maraming restrooms ang Philippine Arena bestie. Or kung gusto mong makapag-CR agad, head to the upper box area. Number 6, sobrang hina ng signal sa Philippine Arena so make sure to sort out everything you need before arriving. Messages, payments, meetups, and etc. Number 7, heads up lang. Bawal ang pasok ng tumbler, bottled water, or any drinks sa arena. Security check pa lang, papaiwanan nila yan sa baggage area or worse, ipapatapon pa nila. Don't worry, you can buy water once you're inside the concert hall. Pero papatanggal pa rin nila yung cup ng bottle bago ka makapasok sa mismong arena. Number 8, bawal magdala ng any professional camera. DSLR, SLR, action cam, Insta360, kahit anong camera, ang pwede nyo lang pong dalhin ay yung cellphone nyo. And sobrang hassle mag-claim ng gamit after ng concert pag meron kayong ipapaiwan sa baggage. Number 9, don't drink too much water kung ayaw yung maihi ng maihi. Or kung ihing-ihi na talaga kayo, mag-bathroom break kayo during stage break or before mag-encore. Number 10, there's an ATM available at the arena, just as the staff where it's located. Number 11, yes, bestie, malaki ang Philippine Arena, but don't worry, staffs are everywhere and ready to assist. Last but not least, once your idols say goodbye, huwag yun na silang antayin lumabas pa ulit kasi hindi na sila lalabas. Instead, tumakbo ka na or walk fast to the parking lot if you want to skip the traffic. Proven and tested. We managed to leave the arena in just 10 minutes, traffic-free. Enjoy the concert, bestie, have fun, sing your heart out, and make new core memories. Bye!